Every property has potential. We find it. This is Belentino. Complete renovations. Beauty with intent. Value by design. A Belentino renovation is not a cosmetic refresh. It is a systematic transformation of every element of your property, from the foundations to the final coat of paint. What makes us different is NRM1 aligned elemental cost planning. Before a single tool is lifted, you know exactly what you're paying for, trade by trade, element by element. Professional quantity surveying methodology applied to residential renovation. Our renovation scope covers 16 distinct elements. Full kitchen design and installation. Complete bathroom refurbishment. Full rewiring to BS 7671. Complete replumbing with gas safe certification. Plastering, flooring, decoration, window replacement, roofing, damp treatment, landscaping, smart home integration, and full certification on completion. No gaps. Every element specified, priced, and delivered. We apply NRM1 professional standards to every project. Elemental cost plans align to our EICR methodology, trade-by-trade breakdowns with no hidden costs, and a contingency framework that protects you against the unexpected. Most renovation companies quote on the back of an envelope. We provide institutional-grade cost transparency. That's the Belentino standard. This comprehensive renovation in Birmingham transformed a dated property into a contemporary family home. Full kitchen redesign, complete bathroom refurbishment, new flooring throughout, full redecoration, and landscaped gardens front and rear. Completed on budget and on program, with every certification issued on handover. In Battersea, we took a period property and turned it into one of the most desirable homes on the street. A bespoke kitchen, refined living spaces, and a garden designed to extend the living area outdoors. Every detail considered. Every finish selected with intent. Our reach extends beyond London. This Cambridgeshire renovation demonstrates our ability to adapt the methodology to different property types and locations while maintaining the same uncompromising standards. A complete renovation coordinates up to 15 specialist trades. Structural engineers, electricians, plumbers, plasterers, joiners, decorators, tilers, roofers, and landscapers. We manage every trade, every interface, and every program dependency. You have one point of contact. One team. One standard. Every project is delivered with the complete certification package. Gas Safe CP12 certificate, Part P electrical certification, energy performance certificate, electrical installation condition report, and building control completion certificate. We don't just renovate your property. We certify it. The result is a property transformed in every dimension. Structurally sound, beautifully finished, fully certified, and significantly more valuable. This is what happens when beauty meets intent and value meets design. From southwest London to Birmingham to Cambridgeshire, we've earned our reputation through meticulous execution, transparent pricing, and genuine care for every client's home. Belentino. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free renovation consultation at belentino.com.